Hello Internet from Abidjan. It's always a pleasure for us to share our ride and our experience on the ground, on how things moves around. Today it was one beautiful experience, as normally we were visiting the Department of Transport, located on our right hand side, where once you have any this one here on the right hand side, so once you have an international driving license, and if you need to convert it to a local driver license, normally this is the place one need to come and do that by following the procedure. It's quite a lot of steps that need to be taken, but it's doable. Within a day, everything can be done, and then in the next 72 hours, you'll be called and come collect your driver's license. The procedure is not, I don't know if I can really turn here. I wonder. Oh, there's no way. Can't turn that side. Still have to go. Looking for the way forward to Riviera Palmeraie. Let me try this way. Raining, and now it's after the rain. I wonder if really I'll be able to turn here. How will I do it? I want to go on the other side of the road. Then seems like there's no way. Kind of a heavy rain coming. Quite a good experience at the traffic department. I've learned a lot, and usually whenever I see something that is interesting, I try to share it with you guys, so that in case you are willing to travel to Abidjan, and then by watching our videos you might learn a lot on what's happening around, what is required, the paperwork. So the experience was about normally getting to change the international driver license to the local one. Otherwise, you have every time to go out of the country, and every time that normally you have elapsed your 3 months, you need to go out, renew it, and not just the way of just going out and coming back will automatically give you the permission to drive locally. But now, if one decides to stay beyond 3 months, then it's always good to try and convert to the local driver's license. So the process normally is not that complex, as I was normally saying that I think there are 3 main offices that one needs to visit. One of the office just on the right hand side here, that way one need to come and make the payment of 10,000 FCFA. There's an office in front of us here, and then there's another office on the other side at Tower 4, where normally you start the whole process. Then from there, you will be given a letter authorizing you to go and exchange or exchange your license to the local one, either international or local. And that's normally where I've shown we're coming from. Once you're there, all you need again to know that you need to obtain your residency card. You must have your residency card. You can't do it on a temporary visa. So with your residency card, you make the copy. You also need to make copies. One copy of your residency card and another copy of your driver's license from the country of origin, and then a copy of the letter. The total fees normally were about 93,500 francs CFA. Normally, that is almost 160 USD paid for me to be able to go through the process. And what also was happening there is that you need to go through eye tests. You must pass the eye test on the spot, and also they will do some blood tests. Once the results are good, you'll be allowed now to go make the final payment, and then you'll be given 72 hours. You receive an SMS, come and collect your driver's license. It was quite easy process, and everything really seems to be well organized. So something good to know in Abidjan. Otherwise, welcome, and let us enjoy our ride on the rain to Cocody. We always like to share our experience in Abidjan, especially to those who are willing to travel to Abidjan. If you have any question, anything you need to know about the relocation in Abidjan, let us know. Leave a comment, and also to keep encouraging us on sharing our experience. Kindly, if this is your first time, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up for the videos, as this normally will keep us always sharing the beautiful experience has been experienced on the ground in Abidjan. Our videos normally we don't do cut and paste. We share full experience on how really things look like on the ground, especially the admin side of things, on how to proceed, how to obtain paperwork for you to be legit and to comply with the laws of the country. The country is good. The country really is doing well on the ground. So for you to stay in the country, you need to be in order. That's why I've been sharing our experience on the ground about the paperwork. Otherwise, once more, welcome and enjoy the ride under the rain. Heavy rain. Our previous videos, normally we did talk about Tower F, as we even went underground to show you the development, the construction of this tower. One prestige of Abidjan. And if you are new in the country, driving on the roads in Abidjan is not that easy, especially when you have to face taxi drivers, sometimes really hectic. You need to be cautious. Another road. Because of heavy traffic, I'm not gonna go via shoot. Because I don't see the road rail isn't really visible, especially the mark that separates this line. See, on some parts it's not visible. It makes it quite difficult for, especially when it's raining. And this is the same road that normally using Autoroute du Nord, but we'll take an exit somewhere there to work Cocody. beautiful time. Let's enjoy a beautiful ride in Abidjan. I guess that we'll be lucky not to encounter any traffic in front of us, because these days normally everywhere you go in Abidjan is traffic, heavy traffic. Seems like it was not raining that bad as on the other side over here. Traffic. So if one goes on the other side, that is normally the Plateau. On the right hand side, that road takes to the Plateau. As you go straight forward to Palmere. Just taxi drivers. Seems like there's traffic, the upcoming traffic, and we like being on the, not really lucky, there's traffic in front of me. Traffic is everywhere in Abidjan. See the weather is. It was raining badly on the other side, and here seems to be good, sunny, dry. So I don't see any sign of rain. So it wasn't raining here over here. So it was raining in Plateau and no rain in Cocody. Quite dry, and it's hot. Go. As I need to come on the outside of the road, which is not really working. Okay, let me just give it a shot from the other side. Yes, I think from here is fine. I'll get there. Kind of a forest here. It seems like they removed the trees. Everything now. Don't know what they're making. It used to look nice with that forest. Maybe they come to expand the road. Heavy traffic. Another also a nice building in construction. So that's the number if you're looking to rent in Abidjan. Louer it for rental. So call that number. I can assist you. Everywhere. So this is beautiful, guys. It was raining heavily in Plateau, and Cocody is dry, sunny, hot. Just traffic. Streets in Abidjan named after French people. Still traffic. After this bridge, this is where you see normally the mobile vendors take advantage of the traffic. They do sell a lot of items. It's quite interesting to see street vendors, so they take advantage also of the traffic to make money. What do you think of this, the freeway? So for them, traffic something good. The challenge is that we don't have a lot of alternatives roads that could let one to avoid getting stuck in the traffic. That's it for now, for today. As you see in front of me, the traffic is quite huge. So if I'll keep sharing these videos, there's nothing you can see, guys, except heavy traffic. Otherwise, thank you for tuning in. We keep sharing more stories about Abidjan as long as we'll be here, and especially helping those who are willing to move in. Do not doubt to contact us. We can assist you. We can provide you with more info on what you need in Abidjan, especially if you are English speaking. We'll be more than happy to help you to get info on special or different services as provided by the authorities of the country. Otherwise, thank you for tuning in. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe where possible to our channel so that we can grow together and keep sharing stories in Africa in general and Ivory Coast, where we are currently located in particular. Thank you. See you next time, and goodbye from Abidjan.
La voix des transporteurs, c'est
90.3, la voix des transporteurs en mouvement.